Ano na tayo ngayon? Main event na tayo ngayon. Pacquiao versus Barrios. Oh. Sige, Tito JC muna. Your thoughts on the Mario Barrios, Manny Pacquiao matchup over the weekend?
Okay, so with that fight, the thing is, mas na-highlight talaga si Manny Pacquiao dito sa laban na to. I think he proved a lot of people wrong with how he performed in this fight. Um, kahit na, alam mo yun, Barrios had that in him. I mean, I think he partly had, he was trying to follow the blueprint to win against Manny, but he didn't do it well enough. We saw that with the jabs. He was jabbing all night na tumatama ng malinis, which is what he probably learned from the Pacquiao versus Ugas fight. But he was not. But the thing is, si Ugas, he was very very busy throwing all those jabs all night. Si Barrios, may mga moments na, wait, babato ko ba to? Hindi. Pero sige, tatama naman. Pero teka, ulitin ko ba? He was having second thoughts dun sa volume ng jabs na ginagawa niya. Yes, he was landing them, tumatama talaga ng malinis. But yung iba nun, kung in terms of quality, you don't really know. Kasi yung iba nung napapansin na ni Manny, medyo naharara niya na yung mga suntok. So, or at least naiiwasan niya na. Yun nga, for an active champ to fight someone who supposedly has ring rust after 4 years of not being in competition, I think si Barrios didn't do well enough to prove yung credibility niya, if you may, as a champ. Kasi nga, I mean, may ring rust yung Manny Pacquiao, 46 years old. Kumbaga, tito mo yung kalaban mo. Pero hindi mo siya natalo. Not even very convincingly in a lot of the rounds. Kasi, I mean, that's the reason why controversial yung decision. Kaya nga yung ibang judges hindi makapag-desisyon. Kasi, I guess some of the judges felt that both fighters, to a certain extent, didn't do enough to get the win. Kaya sige, pag-draw na lang natin. Pero, yun nga, iba-iba yung... There are a lot of contrasting opinions about this. Manny Pacquiao himself said in a post-fight interview that he believes he got the win 8-4 in his favor. May mga iba nagsasabi 7-5. May mga in favor of Pacquiao. May mga nagsasabi. Pero marami yung 7-5 or 8-4 in his favor. Meron din naman ako nakita na 7-5 in favor of Barrios. Yun nga, yung score ng isang judge, 7-5 in favor of Barrios. Pero, yun nga, hindi na, magkakaiba yung opinion natin on what happened because, well, for the most part, lalo na on the parts of Barrios, it didn't exactly look like he was defending his belt against his challenger Manny Pacquiao. It was more of like he was, I don't know, he was just trying to spar with Manny all night, seeing what he can do with Manny. In Manny's side naman, Manny was really trying to get that belt from Barrios. Makikita natin, kada round, he was busy. I mean, sige, both of them were busy, pero the more accurate, the accurate punches, the combinations, the way Manny moved around in the ring to try to land his combinations were there. it did look like he really wanted to get that belt from Barrios. Kaya nga din, ilang ulit niya sinasabi after the fight, I really think I won the fight. We don't really see Manny say that a lot, lalo na sa mga naging controversial matches niya. I don't believe he. I could be wrong. Hindi ko na lang maalala yung unang laban niya kay Tim Bradley. I'm not sure if he said that he believed he won the fight, which is a controversial one. Kay Jeff Horn, he probably said that. Pero yeah, those two very controversial matches na were yun yung dalawa na sinasabi na pinaka biggest robberies in Manny Pacquiao's career. Pero itong Barrios naman versus Pacquiao, in fairness, I don't think it was a robbery. I think the judge, the result was not was not thought of enough pagdating sa kung kanino ibibigay yung round sa kung kanino ibibigay yung score for this round or that round. Yun nga. Yun. But overall, for the 46-year-old boxer who was out for 4 years.
Natin,
What do you think of that?
So, ang ano natin is tignan natin yung punch stats, ha? This is from SEA Games Network.
Oh, nilabas nga nila yung punch stats from CompuBox.
Yung punch stats nila, yung CompuBox. So, Pacquiao versus Barrios, total punches thrown. Pacquiao, 577, Barrios, 678. So, Mario Barrios threw more punches. Total punches landed. Manny Pacquiao, 101, Barrios, 120. So, Barrios threw more. So, mas maraming binato si Barrios, mas marami ring nagland si Barrios. Jabs thrown, Barrios, 423, Pacquiao, 318. Jabs landed, 45 for Barrios, 20 for Pacquiao. Power punches thrown. Power punches thrown, Barrios, 235, Pacquiao, 259. So sa power punches, lamang si Pacquiao. Power punches landed, 75 for Barrios, 81 for Pacquiao. So doon siya nag-negate sa isa't isa. Technically and analytically speaking, Barrios, mas maraming binato si Barrios na technical na suntok. Mas maraming binatong power shot si Manny Pacquiao. So feeling ko doon nag-negate yung dalawang yon, kaya siya naging So pwedeng factor 'yan, pwedeng factor. Ngayon, ito rin yung part na medyo kailangan natin ng konting we have to understand this part of the boxing game. And different analysts, different perspectives. Ang kailangan nating tignan dito is Manny Pacquiao is the challenger. Okay? He's the challenger. Si Mario Barrios, siya yung champion. So, kung ikaw yung champion, kailangan mo lang i-defend yung belt. That is a very generic statement, but it is the main statement or it is the main requirement for the champion. Yun yung bare minimum. Kailangan lang niyang i-defend yung belt. So, ibig sabihin nun, hindi niya kailangang maging impressive, hindi niya kailangan ng knockdown, hindi niya kailangang upakan yung kalaban niya. He just needs to keep that person at bay. The entire time, he just needs... Ito yun, ang bare minimum would be you become a very solid defensive fighter for 12 rounds. Because that is the only thing required sa isang current champion. Kaya nga sinasabi nilang, quite literally, you just have to defend the belt. And that's exactly what Barrios did. He did the minimum requirement of him. Hindi siya nag-risk, hindi siya sumugal sa mga sequences, hindi siya umatake masyado. Basta okay. For this round, ano yung kailangan kong gawin para pag nakita ng judges, hindi nila pwedeng sabihin definitively na tinalo ko ni Manny sa round na to. Okay? Yun lang ang ginawa ni Barrios. Uy, ba't nawala yung ano ko? Teka lang. The way I look at it kasi is, if you're the champion, nasa iyo yung leverage, nasa iyo yung, di ba? Ikaw yung nasa ibabaw. So, kung merong, kunyari, ikaw nasa bundok, para matanggal mo ko dito, kailangan overwhelming yung effort na gagawin mo. So, scoring boxing is very tricky as well. Pero at least this is my way of helping. This is my way of helping the casuals understand boxing lingo and boxing technicalities. Para mas simple yung approach. Tandaan natin, kung ikaw yung champion, sa mata ng judges, kailangan mo lang i-defend. So, hindi mo kailangan pabaksakin, hindi mo kailangan upakan, hindi mo kailangan mag-risk. Ang kailangan lang i-defend. So, ibig sabihin, defend. Paano ba yung defend? Lalapit ka sa akin, tapikin kita sa mukha. Lumapit ka pa ba? Hindi na, di ba? Umanap ka ulit ng ibang angulo, palapit ka ulit, jabbing kita ulit. So, at the end of the round, iisipin ngayon ng judges, dinefend ba niya? Nag-defend ba siya? Was he in danger? Yan yung titignan nila ngayon. Yun din naman yung pinakita ng CompuBox scores. Di ba? Hindi nag-dominate sa two areas si Barrios. Nag-dominate siya sa jabs landed and punches thrown. So volume, panalo si Barrios. Dalawa rin ang nakuha ni Manny. Power punches thrown, power punches landed. So 2-on-2, parang in a way, tumabla talaga. It was a very close fight, pero you have to understand na from the point of view ni Barrios, ito lang yung kailangan kong gawin. 'Di ba? Kailangan lang hindi ako immediate danger, hindi ako na knockdown, hindi ako mukhang naupakan, hindi ako na overwhelm, 'di ba? Kailangan lang ipakita ko sa judges na hindi ako na overwhelm. Kasi hindi ako natakot, ako rin naman, okay, puntos. At any given point na tingin ko, kaya kong, parang open siya doon. Teka lang, tama na lamang na ako Puntos lang ulit. I'll get the decision. So ngayon, that's one way of looking at it. Another way of looking at this fight is, you have Manny Pacquiao, the legend.
Yes.
Si Mario Barrios is probably 15, 16 years younger than Manny Pacquiao.
16
this guy, di ba? 16, di ba? This guy grew up watching Manny Pacquiao probably. He would probably be in a gym where people will talk about the legend of Manny Pacquiao. And then, all of a sudden, this guy is gonna go up and challenge you for your belt. So ngayon, two possible things na pwede kong nakita dyan from the side of Mario Barrios. Pwedeng, he had too much respect for Manny. He had too much respect for Manny kasi he's Manny Pacquiao.
Yes.
And or, he underestimated Manny. Because everybody was counting Manny out. Sige, the fanfare was there. Diba? Yung diba? Okay, Manny's back. Sige, media hype. Everyone wants to milk. Gusto lahat gatas yung story ni Manny. Yung attention na dala-dala ni Manny, gusto nilang makasama doon. Pero deep down inside, iniisip ng mga tao, teka, 46 years old na itong taon to, 4-year layoff. Diba? Mananalo kaya siya? Wala namang nagsasabing mauupakan siya. Pero ang pinaka-dominant question was, kaya pa kaya niyang manalo? And I think yun yung dapat na i-celebrate natin as a nation, as Filipino boxing fans. Pinakita ni Manny Pacquiao na at 46 years old, he can be fucking competitive. Pinakita niya at 46 years old, he is, alam mo yun, deserving of a world title shot. Yun yung win. Para sa akin, yun yung panalo ni Manny sa buong series na to. Kung nanalo si Manny Pacquiao kasi, it would shake up the very foundation and it will shake a lot of things within the boxing industry. Masyadong maraming ito yun pag nanalo si Manny Pacquiao,
it will
46 years old, di ba? 46 years old kaya pa pala mag-world champion. 46 years old, tinalo si Mario Barrios na nakalaban yung mga fighters tulad ni Tank Davis. So that puts a lot of question sa skill set at sa credibility as a champion ni Mario Barrios. Diba? Susunod doon, si Manny, nirank siya ng WBC right away. Kaya yun yung sinasabi ni JC kanina, diba? He was ranked number 5. And then they, apparently, ayan, JC knows
after the backlash,
he got pulled out kasi a lot. Oo, diba? Now, that's solidified. Actually, ito nga lang draw. It justified the ranking eh. Diba? What more pa kung nanalo si Manny? Diba? What more pa kung nanalo si Manny? Susunod doon, kung manalo si Manny, baliwala na lahat ng champions ngayon. Sa totoo lang pag nanalo si Manny Pacquiao,
that is a very good point.
Lahat ng champion sa boxing ngayon, irrelevant. Kahit sino ka pa. Diba? Kahit sa tipo, yung Canelo Crawford fight na yan, diba? That's being built
masasapawad yung balita
the next super fight. Yan, diba? Naoya Inoue, sapaw ni Manny Pacquiao yan. Diba? So, hati lahat. Diba? Ngayon kasi yung attention ng tao sa boxing, hati eh. Pag nanalo si Manny Pacquiao, kung nanalo pala si Manny Pacquiao nung weekend, tapos lahat yan. Lahat ng attention ngayon na kay Manny. Diba? He did the impossible. Kung nanalo si Manny over the weekend, he did the impossible. He's a miracle worker. He's a miracle worker. The legend continues. The legend lives on. Yan yun. So, in as much as it pains to see him lose that way, I'll take the draw. Kung tatanggapin ko na lang yung tabla. I watched the fight probably mga 3 times na yun. Kasabay din yung laban ni Mark. Yung 3 times na yon, 2 tabla, isang split decision kay Manny. Siguro bias ako dahil sa split decision. Pero yung 2 tabla, kasi hindi ko pa rin pwedeng hindi ko pwedeng i-discount na si Barrios yung champion. Siya yung position of power. Siya yung nasa position niya. Siya yung nasa poder. So kailangan mo ibigay sa kanya yung respeto na yon. You have to give him that leeway. Did Pacquiao put up a valiant effort? Fuck yeah, he did. Diba? No doubt about it. But was it enough? Diba?
Yeah.
Was it
enough?
Yung
basis ng iba kung bakit draw daw.
Diba? Was it enough to conclusively say he deserved to win? Of course, as a Manny Pacquiao fan, as a Filipino, you want him to win. But you look at it analytically, he was there, but not quite. He was there. He mesmerized. He was. There were glimpses of vintage Manny, pero syempre,
I think
can we conclusively say na he did enough to dominate? Ideally, diba, if you're the challenger and you're going after the belt, you have to dominate. You have to dominate. You have to take it. You have to show everyone that this person doesn't deserve this belt. And we have to say that Manny conclusively did that. And in this one, parang maraming mixed reviews eh. So, natin? Ang maganda nito, diba, it makes up for a really good story if they decide to run it back. Diba? If they decide to run it back,
I believe they both
it's a good paying fight for both. Oo, diba? Si Manny kasi favorite niya ata yung WBC na belt kaya dun siya hinabol niya.
First belt niya ba the WBC?
First belt niya ata WBC. Kaya rin nakita mo yung nostalgia, di ba? Yung debut fight shorts niya, ganun din yung theme nung comeback fight shorts niya.
Doon ako naaliw,
nun,
sabi
which
ko,
is
ano? Ito yung shorts niya ng laban niya. Ganito yung itsura ng shorts na kay Laduaba. Sabi ko, ano,
Oo,
I
oo.
looked it up. Sabi ko, oo nga, ito nga yun.